One thing that sets this strawberry cake apart from others, it is 3 different textures that complement each other and has flavor that will explode in your mouth. In a large mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs and 1 cup sugar. Beat them until combined. Add 1 cup milk and half a cup vegetable oil. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cup cake flour, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix everything together until all combine. Place parchment paper on your baking pan or simply butter and flour your pan. Pour your batter. Make sure it is even and flat. Bake in preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Let it cool down for a few minutes, then turn the cake upside down. In a saucepan, add 4 tablespoons cornstarch, 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, half a cup sugar. We need also 4 cup milk. First add half of the milk and mix it well. Now add other half of the milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and mix all together. Place the pan on medium heat and keep whisking until the mixture thickens. Pour hot pudding on cooled cake and make sure the pudding surface is flattened. And let it chill in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Meanwhile, let's prepare our strawberry topping. First, wash and dry our berries carefully and slice them thin size. For jello topping, we need 2 packs of strawberry jello. Pour 1 pack jello powder in a bowl, add 1 cup boiling water and mix it well. Then add 1 cup cold water and combine all together. Leave it to the side and place sliced strawberry on firm pudding. Now pour jello liquid on top of the strawberries very gently. If you rush and pouring fast, strawberries moves. Chill it in fridge for 1 hour until become solid. Now make second pack of jello and pour on it. Put it back to the fridge until it sets completely. Our beautiful and delicious cake is ready! Gently slice the cake and serve. Enjoy! Don't forget hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.